I use the one-way or Wolverine guides for doing my sharpening on my gouges. And the first thing I do is I made a chart. It's just my chart that tells me what my settings are for a particular tool, and I have the tool marked. This was green, so I go to the green, to 55 degree in this case, and I have it set for this one here. This happens to be a Ron Brown tool, but you can get a lot of other ones that are already pre-made, and I put that up against this and make sure that it is touching both spots here, and if it is, I'm on the right setting. And the next step I do is right here. I have this little thing. This is actually a design that came from Kent at turnawoodbowl.com, and you'd want to check out his site. It's a very, very good place to start, and he has a lot of great videos. But this is just one of his little tools, and it's basically 2 holes with a penny inside, a coin, so that you have a perfect 2 inches each time. You can set yourself up for any numbers, but 2 inches seems to be the common one. I also have a 2-inch marker right here on my bench. And then when I start it up, I'm at the right angle, so I can do a quick turn on this side, bring it around. And I have a nice sharp edge to go back to work with right away. And it takes maybe 30 seconds to resharpen my tool and be ready to go back to the lathe and continue. So there's no reason to be using a dull gouge when you can sharpen up that quickly and do it repeatedly all the time, so you have exact same angle that you're used to using. If you have any questions or comments, please send them my way. I try to answer all the comments, and please hit the like button and check out some of our other videos. Thank you.